Hi guys, so once again it's your counselor, senior counselor, a channel. Today another very good topic to talk about, and it's all about our women, how to make your woman as a queen, how to make your woman as a queen. Most of our times, men don't have time for their women because of economic hardship and the way things are going. Men don't have time for their women. And if you don't have time for your woman, somebody out there will have time for your woman. And before you realize, somebody have taken your good woman out of you. So today we are going to learn more about how you can make your woman as a queen. The first point, or the point number one, pamper her. Make sure that your woman is up to the top there. Sometimes we men don't have time for how to go about care for them, listening to them, and most of our time busy day out, and you see them always being alone. So point number one, pamper them. Oh, you are apple of my eye, or you are like this, or make sure you do some certain things which will make your woman more happy. The second point is always have effective communication with them. Your woman or woman always want to listen to a good news. Always want to have guys who can, or which they can share their idea to them. And sometimes you see women have more problems than we the men. So if you are a man and you don't have any effective communication or effective collabo with your woman, then I don't think your relationship will extend to that, up to the top there. Let's go to the next point. The next point here is being gentle to your woman. Most of our times, men are strong, as the Bible said. Women are the weakest vessel. So, as the Bible has already said, women are not strong like we the men. So, if they are not strong as we the men, continuing bullying them, will not listen to them, will not help them to share their opinion. You see, sometimes you behave as if you are not a human being. Always you want to show your power over them. And as a man, being gentle to your woman will make her as a queen, and always will be happy towards your decision, and always will welcome anything you want to tell her. Let's go to the next point. Defend your woman all time. You see, there are some components, or there are some characteristics in which God deposited on women. God said most of women have it. Things which doesn't belong to them. Always they want to see things, and always sometimes they don't want to sit alone. So there are some matters which doesn't even they don't care about it. They will go there and then fish those things out. So sometimes always they have been bringing problems to we the men. Some of the men, at the moment a case or a problem will comes to them, oh, that is how my woman is. And in front of your woman, you don't need to say some certain things which will disgrace your woman. And at long last, your woman will continue to be your woman. So if your woman is disgraced, automatically you, the man, has been also been disgraced. So all the time you can defend your woman in front of people, and at the back you go there and advise her, Charlie, don't go and do this thing again. I don't want to see you in this act again. Today is your last warning. So all the time, make sure you defend your woman. The next point, cook for them. In Africa, always is women who normally cook. A man will just put his leg cross and then start reading graphic. And now, not even graphic, will just press phone all days, while the women sometimes they are busy washing, bathing children, taking care of other household activities. And all those household activities, before the woman will finish up and then be thinking of come and cook. And some of the, let me say, neighborhood, you can't get even pipe-borne water inside your house. You need to go to other houses and then fetch water. The woman will be doing all these things, and then as well as even cleaning. Make sure your son, your own son, is okay, satisfied. So sometimes as a lovely man, you need to make sure you cook well, a delicious food for your woman. Those are some of the symbols which will make your woman more and as a queen. So that is the point. Make sure sometimes in your free time you cook for your woman. The next point is give her some gifts, unexpected time. Times the woman is not expected to take any gifts or a gift from you. Make sure you surprise your woman with a gift. Men sometimes are not good in giving out some gifts to their women, but as a guy, if you want a comfortable life or if you want a true love, start learning all those things, which will make you a wonderful guy, and then you can also get a wonderful woman, a woman who is more trusted. You can go out there and start defending your woman. This is my woman. Nothing. You can never do anything to change the mind of my woman. So a surprise gift all the time is also more needed. The next point is know her like and her dislike. And sometimes we have been staying with women for a very long time, but we don't know their like and their dislike. And women sometimes are a little bit controversial, inquisitive, things which doesn't belong to them, as I have already said. Things which doesn't belong to them. And always sometimes they will do things which we the men doesn't like. But because the Bible said they are weaker vessels, we need to accommodate them. Make sure that we can accommodate them, and then not all things we will stretch our hand, or we can say words which are not palatable to them. So we need to know their dislike. This my woman, if I cook for her, today, the whole day, if I want even 20 rounds of sex, this my woman will provide for me. So all those aspects we need to learn. Let's go to the next point. Respect her opinion. Sometimes some of the men will take decision with the absence of their women. Before you realize, oh, Charlie, Ama, Akosia, Belinda, let's go and do this, without asking the opinion of their women. So you men, sometimes your mind is very shallow and you don't have much knowledge about this electrical gadget or whatever. If you buy that particular electrical gadget into your kitchen, who is going to use? Is your woman who is going to use. So sometimes you need to ask her opinion, which type of electrical gadget which will make you comfortable at the kitchen. And at long last, after preparing the food, it's you who are going to consume. So sometimes you need to ask them their opinion. And sometimes their conversation, you can get to know what they like or what sometimes they don't like. Let's go to the next point. Have a space for them. Men are busy, 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 busy throughout. I have already mentioned that point when I started. Men are busy, busy, busy day out. Have a space or have time with your woman. If you have money, there are a lot of beach, there are a lot of resorts, and then there are a lot of recreational places you can send your woman out there. If you have it, once a time, take your woman out. Go to those restaurants and showcase your woman to those public out there, so that your woman will realize that, oh, my guy Kofi, Ama, Karim loves me most. The next point is being loyal to your woman will make your woman feel as a queen. And most of men will be roaming about, you'll be moving out there. And you see, they'll be taking a woman here and there. And if you have one, make sure as a guy, you concentrate on only one. If you stop and then move to another one. But don't take one woman and then be sleeping with other people out there. Be loyal is one of the ingredients which will make your woman feel as a queen. Let's go to the last point, which is here. Always remember some important days or date for your woman. Her birthday party, always remember, and then provide some certain gifts to your woman. Today episode of how to make your woman as a queen. We will end here, and next time we will bring you an interesting program which will make you, or which we will all learn and then implement it in our life, so that our life will be more comfortable day in, day out. It's your servant, Senior Counselor, on Senior Counselor channel. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, share it, make sure other people will hear this voice, so that life will continue. Thank you very much. Bye bye.